Mr. Ironstone L-shaped desk, 50.8 inches, computer corner desk. Welcome, my name is Boy of the Honey, and today we are reviewing the L-shaped corner desk by Mr. Ironstone, 50.8 inches, black edition. Here's the box. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but was around what I expected. Now it's time to cut this baby open, maybe with a slight hint of ASMR. Had to do it for the culture, you know? Perfect. Everything looks great and well put together. And it seems like nothing got damaged. Now let's see what we got. The main pieces are X-shaped support legs, leg pads, and the monitor shelf with lots of extra support pieces. And make sure to stick to the end because we have lots of more information about the prices and more. In this clip we show the weight and the dimensions of the table. Also we show X-shaped support legs with a bunch of more support pieces. This is the only part I messed up on, but the bolts weren't tightened all the way, so it wasn't a big problem. I fixed it right after the clip was shot without an issue. What happened was I put the X-shaped support legs backwards, but I fixed it right after. The wood is a type of plywood, it seems like, with a protective layer. And the layer protects water and etc. Here's some basic clips of the desk being done and put together. If you have any questions or ideas, make sure to drop a comment and I'll make sure to check it out. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and put on post notifications. And also, here is some clips from under the table. My conclusion: this product was well made with good support on the table. It has its limits, but it's perfect starter table with a good price of $100 with free shipping. The video shows photos of the size of the table with extra information. Thanks for making it to the end, and don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe.